everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of GetAssist.net, and today's video is going to be about the latest features that WhatsApp is soon going to roll out. So recently WhatsApp has announced a few features that they are going to introduce in the WhatsApp application. So let's start the video and see what all new features you are going to get with the next WhatsApp update. So here I am on the official WhatsApp Twitter account, where they have made a few announcements about the latest features that they are going to introduce, and I will start from the bottom. If you have noticed, WhatsApp has already provided you the freedom to unsend any message for both the parties involved. Alright, you can delete the message for everyone involved in the conversation, but that was only for up to 1 hour, not beyond that. Alright, if the 1 hour period is over, you cannot delete that message for everyone. Alright, but now they have increased this limit to 2 days, and here you can read it, that rethinking your message, now you will have a little over 2 days to delete your messages from your chats after you hit send. Now you are getting the time of 2 days to unsend any message on WhatsApp for both the parties. Alright, now it is possible that the other person has already read the message and they have taken a screenshot or anything, but still, it is a good opportunity for anyone who wants to delete any message even after 1 hour or 2 hours or maybe after 1 day. So that's one feature that they have currently rolled out, and now it is available on my WhatsApp. If you are not getting this feature, you can try updating your app. Let's move on to the next feature that they are about to introduce. So that feature will allow you to exit any group. They have mentioned that when you want to make the subtle exit starting this month, so they will introduce it this month only, and you can leave groups silently. Alright, so earlier when you used to leave any groups on WhatsApp, everyone was able to see that this person has left the group chat. Alright, but that is no longer the case. Alright, now when you will leave or exit a group chat on WhatsApp, only the admin of the group will get to know about it. So now you can silently leave any WhatsApp group. So that's a good news. Alright, it will not make a major difference, but still it is a very useful feature, I guess. Now the next feature is rolling out soon. So it has not been introduced yet, but they will roll it out soon. Will be a new feature about online presence that lets you decide who can see when you are online. So this is not about the last scene thing, that you can turn off your last scene and no one will be able to know if you are online or not. No, it is not about that. It is about that if you are online, people will see that you are online, right? But now you can decide who can see you online and who cannot. You will get to filter out your contacts, that even if you are online, they are not able to see that you are online, but still you can be online and you can have a chat with other people, and the people whom you decide will not be able to see that if you are online or not, even if they try to send a message or anything. Alright, so that was not possible before. So that is another useful feature that WhatsApp is going to roll out soon. The next update that I can see here on their official Twitter is that another feature we will be launching soon is built-in screenshot blocking for your view once photos and videos. So if you have, if you know about this feature, you can send view once photos and videos on WhatsApp, in which the recipient can only see the photo or video once. They cannot see it more than once, but people have found out a loophole that they used to take the screenshots and screen recordings for those photos and videos. So that was the loophole, but now WhatsApp is coming up with a feature that will block people from doing that. Now if you will receive a view once photo, you will not be able to take its screenshot. So that is a huge useful feature for everyone. Otherwise there was no use of sending a view once photo if someone else can take its screenshot, right? So that's another great feature that WhatsApp will be launching soon. So these were the few updates that you can expect from WhatsApp in the coming month. And with that, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you found this helpful, and do let me know in the comment section below that for which feature you are very excited for WhatsApp. Alright, do let me know in the comment section down below if you have any queries, issues or feedback related to any of my videos, and I will see you the next time.